Hello, how are you? Hopefully you are doing fine. I'm Nasi Alom, graduate teaching assistant, Department of English, North Dakota State University. Welcome to my channel, Simple Talk. Today, I'm going to discuss how you can do well on the Duolingo test writing. I'm going to give you some simple tips. Hopefully you'll bear with me for the next 3 minutes. What I do to improve my writing on the Duolingo test is to write every day. I write every day. For example, what I write about my feelings. I share my thoughts every day in English. So you can say I talk about my daily activities. So what I would suggest you to do, if you want to improve yourself, write in English every day. Talk about yourself, write to yourself, maintain a journal. This is how you can be fluent. You can write well as fast as you can, and also carry a device. It could be a laptop. The laptop would be the best option because you cannot take your exam from the mobile phone. Number 2, read English newspapers regularly and try to follow their phrases, try to follow their Englishes. You can paraphrase them, learn how to paraphrase. Paraphrase means you use their ideas but use your own words. Okay, for example, in the original article, the word is difficult. Instead of using the word difficult, you can write tough. So this is how you can improve your vocabulary, and also you learn different expressions of writing. So do that every day. That's what I do. I read English newspapers regularly and I try to learn new words and phrases. Number 3, always choose some important topics where you can go Google, give me some argumentative topics. So take those topics and write about them from different points of view. So some of you say to me that you find it difficult to find out simple ideas, or you find it difficult to ideate or discuss the difficult topics. So for that, you need to expand your general knowledge. How can you expand your general knowledge? Only by reading English newspapers. Okay, if you have time, also read storybooks or read fiction, read short stories. So the main part is you have to practice writing and reading in English regularly if you want to develop yourself as an English writer, and if you want to develop your scores on the Duolingo test. So these are simple suggestions. So recapping my ideas once again. Number 1, write in English every day. Share your thoughts in English. Write to yourself and don't worry about grammatical mistakes. Okay. And number 2, read English newspapers and try to paraphrase and learn new words and try to use different words in English, and keep writing regularly. And also number 3, a bonus tip you can say, choose some argumentative topics. It could be any debatable topics. You can watch my videos. You can see how I answer the debatable topics. So choose them, write in English every day, and ideate your general knowledge by reading English newspapers, and keep working hard. These are the simple tips, and nothing. I can give you many tips, but ultimately it depends on you.